Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will show you patchwork crafts ideas. So friends, let's start today's video. Friends, I will share beautiful and creative ideas called patchwork crafts. Patchwork is a fun way to use small pieces of fabric instead of throwing all fabric away. We can join different fabric pieces and create something new and beautiful. First, collect small fabric pieces. You can choose cotton fabric or cloth or leftover fabric from sewing project. Now cut the fabric into simple shape. You can cut square, rectangle or triangle. Try to keep the shape the same size to the fit together easily. Next, arrange the fabric on a table. Mix different color and patterns. This will create a bright and interesting design. And friends, when you are happy with the design, start stitching the piece together. You can string them by hand or use a sewing machine. Join the fabric pieces row by row. Slowly you will see a beautiful patchwork coming together. And friends, patchwork fabric can be used to make many useful things. You can make patchwork cushions cover. This colorful cushions look lovely in the living room. And another idea is patchwork bags. These bags are stylish and perfect for daily use. You can also create a patchwork table runner. They look beautiful on dining tables and add a warm handmade touch to your home. Patchwork is also perfect for blankets. Many people use patchwork to create a cozy handmade quilt and blanket. One more idea is patchwork wall art. Stitch small colorful fabric pieces together and place them in a frame.